Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you are all well. Alright guys, so we do have some confirmed brands that will be in the BoxyLuxe September box. We also already know about some of the spoilers, so I'm going to first name off the brands and then I'm going to show you what spoilers that we have. First brand is Violet Voss, next is Tarte, then we have Too Faced, Sunday Riley, Glow Recipe, Dr. Brandt, Hank and Henry, and also Stila, which is very exciting. So first, we already have the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. You will either get that or the Sunday Riley Tidal Bright Enzyme Water Cream. Then next, we have the Spun Gel Mani Pedi Treatment and the Clean Skin Water Bottle Infuser. You will either get those two items or the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. Then next is the Sutra Beauty Curling Wand. You will get that or the Moda Brush 8-piece brush set. Plus, guys, you will get 5 more items that were still waiting to be revealed, and this box is going to be valued at over $300+. So that's really good, and as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. There are also September BoxyCharm spoilers. They are linked below if you want to go check them out, and as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. And as always, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.